Welcome to a new video on opportunities this week from Bravisa Templetree. As the markets have got perched at the top and most of the stocks have already gone up, there is going to be very few buying opportunities coming up in the market now. This week we have a couple of stocks giving buying opportunities in the finance sector. There is a catch here. Finance sector is in the receiving end, with most of the stocks in the sector either getting into a tight range or going down. In this condition, if we are getting a buying opportunity from a stock in the sector, it will come with two conditions: a caution and a potential. The caution is that there is a chance the signal trigger which we are getting may not work and it can turn against us. In that case, we should have focus on the stop loss and should be very alert to get out on the stop loss trigger, thereby protecting our capital for future trades that are going to come. The second one, potential. If the trade or the signal after trigger, the stock goes up with momentum, that gives a beautiful opportunity for us to have gotten at the right time. And with that, if the sector is also going up, that gives a multi-bagger opportunity for the stock. We will make very big gains. Today's market, if you have been observing, insurance stocks have been going up for some time now. This week, we have a buying opportunity from the insurance sector. It is ICICI General Insurance, giving a buying opportunity on trend following approach. We can buy this stock if it is going above 1645 in the coming week. If you have seen that SBI Life and ICICI Prudential Life has been going up, doing good in the market, and along with that, HDFC Life is also gaining momentum. Probably it will have a buying opportunity in a few days from now. With that, if ICICI General Insurance also is joining the party, that brings us a little added confidence that when the micro sector is going up and we have a stock from that sector getting an investment opportunity, we are sure that this stock will also get carried along with the micro sector, and with that there is a potential for the sector itself to go up. So ICICI GI is a good buying opportunity this week. While this said, also have a caution in mind that we should be concentrating on the stop loss. If the trade goes on strong, continue to hold the position with a trailing stop loss and maximize your profits. Before going further, we would like to share that a couple of opportunities, ideas that we had shared in our past videos, like Reliance, HDFC kind of stocks have been doing very good in the market. We believe that almost all our viewers would have made fantastic gains from these beautiful uptrending stocks. There are few more stocks that are available for opportunities, and all of them have been posted in our discussion group. You can join the discussion group by clicking on the top link on the description and join the group, where you can have the list of stocks, their entry price, stop losses and targets if it's a swing trade. With insurance to your investment, grow your wealth with safety and security. Happy investment.